Hello guys, I want to recommend some Blender add-on you can use on your scene. And the first one I'm going to start with is the lighter add-on. So let me bring the add-on out. I'll select N on my keyboard. So this is the lighter add-on. So one thing about the add-on is that you have to make sure that your origin is at the center of your design or what you are trying to light up. You get, so this is the origin, this orange dot. So when I select light it up, then you can see the light here. Can you see? So when we go to cycles now, let's wait for it to load so you can see. So if you feel like, oh, the light around the object is too much, then you can just select each of these lights, scroll down, go to the light, and you can increase or reduce. You can reduce it to like 10. Can you see? So you can just play around with the figures or the value. You can put this to like 50. I see. So just play around with this, and that's just how you can use the light add-on. And you can also play around with all these figures. You can change from area light to point light. You can change this one to also sun, depending on your choice. You get until you get the look you are looking for. The second add-on I'll be recommending is the Alt Tab Lightning. Also, what you need to do, just select your object also, or you don't even need to select your object. We have a lot of light presets depending on the result you are looking for. So can you see this? So you can just select one of these presets. When you select one of these presets, you can just select append. And let's go to cycles. But then again, for you to get a better result, make sure you have like a backdrop. You get something around your design. You get. So these are the lights here. You can always increase or reduce. And select 5. Or you can also select 100. Let me see. 100 is okay. Yes, can you see? So you can always increase the value of your light here. So also it's very important you have something like a backdrop here, something like a plane. Can you see? Yes. So that it can reflect better. And if you feel like it's too much, you can always reduce it back to 1. That's the actual figure. And you can always reduce this one to 1 also. Yes. Can you see? See, this is even better. So you can also play with this. Another thing again you can do is this. I'm coming. Let me remove this. Let me delete by hierarchy. Yes. So I can delete everything. Yeah. So you can also add random light. You can also add random light. Just add random light. Keep adding randomly. Say confirm. Add another random light. Can you see? +1. And keep adding. Then you can also decide to change the color. You can always decide to change the color of the light here. So that's the second Blender light add-on I'll be recommending. So the third Blender light add-on I'll be recommending is the Better Lightning version 2. So we also have presets like the Alt Tab Lightning. You get. So I'm coming. So this is it. Okay, selected. So I can just select anyone. Okay, let's see this. And let's select import. So the light has finished loading. So let me just go to cycles to look at the result. So this is the Better Lightning add-on. You get. So this is the result from the Better Lightning add-on. Well, I've not used it before. You get. But then I just have it there in case on my system. So you can always play around with this, or you can watch tutorials on YouTube on how to use this light add-on. So the fourth Blender light add-on I'll be recommending is the Quick Studio Lightning. Well, this add-on doesn't really need a backdrop because it comes with a backdrop. So let me first delete this backdrop that I did. Then select this. Can you see? So if I select this, can you see? It comes with a backdrop. Then what I just need to do is to delete this circle, or sorry, this sphere, so that I can focus more on the object like this. The object in the scene, or the model in the scene, sorry. So, and I can go to cycles. Can you see? I can always reduce the power of the light. So let me try. So let me say this one too much. 1. I think 1 is more here. Let me check. That this is more. So let me put it on 100. Not on. Hey, it's too much. 1. 0.5. And let me see this. 0.5. So you can always play around with this add-on. The Blender Light add-on I use more often is the lighter add-on and the alt tab lightning. I've not really spent time on the Blender Beta lightning. And also when I use the Quick Studio lightning, I use this kind of light here. Light that will not really affect the color of the model. You get, I will not really change the color of the model, not too bright, not too dark. You get, just decent lightning, like this result you can see here. So that is what I use for this render. So you can just go to YouTube and watch more video on how to use all this Blender lightning.